The content creator economy has exploded. Short-form video, live stream shopping, 8K cinematic vlogs, and immersive vertical stories are no longer niche, they're mandatory. DJI's Pocket line answers all three. The 2023 Pocket 3's 1-inch sensor was a watershed, but the creatively hungry audience now expects more, and that's exactly what early Pocket 4 leaks promise. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Multiple insiders claim DJI is doubling down on its long-running cooperation with Swedish icon Hasselblad. The brands already co-developed the Mavic 3 and Inspire 3 cameras. Now rumor mills hint at DJI increasing its equity stake to tap deeper into Hasselblad's natural color solution, HNCS. Exact HNCS profiles ported to Pocket 4 for skin tone-friendly 10-bit D-Log-M. Joint R&D on low-dispersion glass for the fixed f2 lens. Shared color matching across Pocket 4, Mini 5 Pro, and the flagship Mavic 4 Pro lines. If true, your handheld and drone footage will cut together seamlessly with zero LUT gymnastics, catnip for editors on deadline. Leaks point to a flip-up 2.5-inch OLED touchscreen, 43% larger and nearly twice as bright as the Pocket 3 panel. Bright day framing and vertical video shooting are both easier. The chassis reportedly jumps from 179G to 190G to house a bigger battery and beefier heatsink. Rubberized, waffle-textured side rails improve handheld ergonomics over sweaty summer shoots. Expect 10 gigabits per second offload speeds plus a magnetic pogo pin that snaps on a shotgun mic, wireless monitor, or ND filter hood, echoing Insta360's modular spirit yet keeping DJI's proprietary polish. A stacked 1-inch CMOS, but resolution may bump from 9.4 MP to 12 to 13 MP, rescuing still photo detail without sacrificing pixel size. Aperture, f2, f4, so you can blur backgrounds at noon without stacking filters. Dynamic range, 14 plus stops in D-Log-M, rumors of HLG and an optional C-Log-like flat profile. ISO, 50 to 6400, video, 50 to 16000, photo, with dual native ISO pipeline for cleaner shadows. Spec Pocket 3 rumored Pocket 4. 4K FPS 120 frames per second 240 frames per second. 1080p FPS 240 frames per second 480 frames per second. Color depth 10-bit plus HDR 10 plus preview. All-intra bitrate 200 megabits per second 400 megabits per second, CF Express T-Type hot swap. Active Track 5.0 6.0 AI, Human plus Animal plus Vehicle modes. That 4K/240 mode alone slices real-time by 8 times 4 buttery slow MO. No $3,000 cinema rig required. Pocket 4's 3-axis gimbal shoulders the heavy lifting, but DJI adds on-sensor Super EIS that warps marginal frame edges to iron out micro jitters when sprinting or mounting the camera on a skateboard. Early testers describe the hybrid system as Hero 12 Smooth but with true horizon lock. A new proprietary SoC nicknamed Phoenix, co-developed with Ambarella. Real-time HDR preview. See final grade contrast on screen, not after offload. Voice Command 2.0.